Hello Sean, I'm Roger here at Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz. Thank you very much for the phone call this morning. I appreciate you seeing my videos on YouTube. So I figured instead of taking pictures of the van you and I were discussing this morning, I would do a video of the 144 high roof Selenite Grey Metallic for you. And like I said, instead of taking pictures, I thought I would do a nice walk around video for you. So the rims are painted jet black. They are the steel wheels, and I had mentioned that has mud and snow tires on it for you. Get a nice shot of the back. I know you have some Sprinter vans now, Sean, but at least we'll get some nice video footage. You did ask about the wall paneling. I do have an upfitter here in the area that can do the wall paneling for you. And also a partition. It's called Weather Guard. I know we had talked about that for a few minutes as well. You can get it, it's powder coated white. You can look it up online so you can see how the partition would look. And then we're gonna hop in the cab of the Sprinter, and I'll go over a few things in there with you, and then we'll go for a short test drive. Hey Sean, so we're sitting here in the cab of the Sprinter van and go over a few things here with you. So you got a storage compartment up here. We got some cup holders too across the top. The new 2019 design, we got some cup holders here, which is really nice. And then we were talking about the radio. So this is just has a standard AM FM radio. It does have a USB port right here. This can be changed out for an Alpine system. The Alpine system is $1,825. We talked about that this morning. It comes with Apple CarPlay. It has your navigation, your Bluetooth hands-free to talk. It also has we incorporate the backup camera and everything in it. But right now, we'll put our van in reverse, and you can see the backup camera. It's right here in your rear view mirror, so you do have that, which is a nice feature. This Sprinter does have cruise control. It's controlled right here on the steering wheel. You got your heated electric mirrors, and this also has heated front seats. Now, the predecessors, the switch was like over here. Now it's right on the door for your seats. There's one on the driver's side and on the passenger side. Now we're gonna go for a short test drive. So for 2019, it does have the 7-speed 7G-tronics transmission, and they've also added electronics to the power steering, so it's electronic power steering now too. It turns a lot smoother than the predecessors. It still has the same turning radius. You can get in and out of nice tight spots with it. Well, Sean, I hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough on the new 2019 Sprinter 144 high roof, and I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. My cell phone number is 207-838-0169. Thanks again, Sean, and I'm looking forward to working with you. Have a great afternoon.